Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. I got a brand new filter here for Crusty so that dude can breathe. So we're gonna try to get this on. Well, not try, we're gonna put that on, and we're gonna get this on. And then I do got this that one day we're gonna install. I can figure out which side of this to open. It's the Holley Pro Dash. Alright guys, there's my nephew's car. He just took it to the shop to get a new transmission put in it, and they done a real crappy job of putting it back together. They let the oxygen sensor wire sit on the exhaust and it melted to it, and it's made it run really crappy. And they stripped out the bolts for the blow-off valve into the intercooler. I got it sitting over there, so we're gonna have to tap that out. So that's what we got going on with that car. And I haven't even got started with this yet. I'm about to go ahead and take this filter off and get the new filter on here. Alright, we got that on there. That looks a lot better. Now I'm gonna try to get this shifter cover put on. Alright guys, I'm gonna try to get this shifter cover on. And we gotta get these little plastic pieces, little spacers, in between the mount, the cover, and the actual shifter. And I'm not sure how you do that. It probably says in the instructions, but I'm too lazy to dig them out. So I'm gonna try to use some super glue and just glue these things to the shifter and see how that works out for me. Alright guys, that super glue trick worked. It's on there now, so now we can put on our sticker here. Alright guys, we're gonna test drive this thing again. The last time it wouldn't shift out of first, and when I got back it was actually low on fluid. I added some to it, so we're going to try it again to see if that helped it any. guys, I think maybe this thing ain't shifting just because that 4000 stall I put in there, and it does got a 4L60E, so it runs off the computer, so maybe it ain't syncing up or whatever with the stall, but hopefully that's what it is. If not, we're gonna find out next week because it's going to get tuned. And I was gonna try to build me something to hold my Holly Pro Dash in there, but they actually sell the bezel right there that's made for the Holly Pro Dash, so I'm probably going to get that just because it's going to look better. And we was going to try to measure this drive shaft on this truck. We did set it in there and looked at it, and it looks like it's going to be probably 6 inches short. We never did measure it. We was working on my nephew's car and really didn't have time. But yeah, we got a list of parts that we need for this, and my brother gave me the money, so I'm going to order those. I'm going to order the bezel for Crusty, and next week we get that tuned, and then we'll try to measure this drive shaft and see what else we can get into. But this is just a short little video, just a little update, I guess. But I guess that's it for this one. Till next time, see ya.